420 CannaData Scientist NFTs with over 36,000 in near tokens in artist revenue available after the sale of the NFTs, which will be split 25% to the artist, which consists of that 36,000 near, and then another 36,000 near if all of the NFTs sell. That's the total amount. Will be donated to refugees in Ukraine via Unchained.fund, and the other 50% will come to the Cannabis Genome DAO treasury. And we're doing 420 NFTs, and that's a fun number, but the story behind it and the reason those NFTs will be broken down is based upon Metamorphosis. So we have an open call for art submissions, with basically these NFTs are going to consist of an insect character representing one of the 5 main stages of Metamorphosis, either hatchling, nymph, instar, chrysalis, or imago. And so there'll be some sort of character. We're leaving a lot of this open to the artists that are going to submit their entries to this competition, but essentially they can submit any sort of insect character in any scientific setting or cannabis setting, or performing ideally some sort of scientific task with cannabis. So we'll see what people come up with. But that is the goal, is to start having people submit different NFTs for these different categories. And as the categories fill up, we'll do monthly reviews of all the different submissions, and accept different submissions. So we'll try to, as these different categories fill up, we'll make those announcements that artists can only submit to certain categories, and we'll adjust the form so they can only submit for certain categories as these fill up. But essentially, yeah, they are all open right now. We have a store on Mint-Base for the Cannabis Genome DAO where we can publish these, and yeah, so the artist will be rewarded with a 0.1 near for all the submissions that are accepted, as well as 25% of the sale revenue and 50% of the royalty revenue. And only the sale revenue will be split with Unchained.fund, so the royalties will be split 50-50 between the artist and Cannabis Genome DAO. So yes, submissions are open. You can find the link on the website here to submit. It's just a very simple form, and there's a little FAQ down here. We've got the full rules of entry linked on decentralized storage and IPFS, as well as the terms of the sale. So feel free to please check that out, dive into the details. If you're an artist, please participate. We want to get your art out there, and all artists will be credited in the metadata for the NFTs. And we're also accepting lore, so writers. We are accepting writing submissions as well to craft, to build out the narrative around this story. So if you're a writer, or if you're an artist, and you want to contribute to funding refugees in Ukraine and Cannabis Genome DAO, and you want a platform to publish your art and get it out to the cannabis community, this is for you. So I hope that maybe we'll have some people watching this eventually that will, or hopefully soon, that will be interested in this. So yeah, right? One day they'll watch this. Hopefully they'll watch this soon. Because we just started promoting this 2 days ago, not even, and just on our Twitter. So we haven't even reached out to any artist communities yet. So I feel like this is going to be great for our community and bringing in artists in cannabis and scientists, I hope, and people, cross-pollination. And so all the funds that are received by Cannabis Genome DAO will be going to our treasury, which is managed by the nonprofit, and that will be used to fund development and the initial fees of the marketplace. So the marketplace is free to use, free to upload data and store data. So that's going to cost a lot for the DAO to cover those fees. And so that is why we're raising grant funding, and that is why we are launching this NFT collection and artwork submission, so that we can build this for the community and by the community.